Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to another inspiring content of Decor menu. Get ready for an exciting woodworking and decor project that will transform your space. Today we will show you a collection of small reclaimed wood design ideas for profitable crafts to build your own success story. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Starting a business from small reclaimed wood is one of the most empowering and accessible ways to turn creativity into income, and the beauty of it is that you don't need a huge workshop, expensive tools, or years of experience, just the willingness to begin. Reclaimed wood carries history, warmth, and character, making even the smallest pieces valuable to modern homeowners who crave authenticity, sustainability, and handmade charm. When you decide to craft with reclaimed materials, you are not only creating decor or functional art, you are building a story, a brand, and a future shaped by your own hands. And the moment you choose to start today, even in the simplest way, you begin crafting your own success, piece by piece, idea by idea. This is where the power of small reclaimed wood becomes clear. Every scrap, plank, or weathered board has potential, and every new project becomes an entry point into entrepreneurship. The journey begins with recognizing the incredible opportunity that reclaimed wood offers. These materials are often free, low cost, or easy to source from construction scraps, fallen trees, old furniture, or pallets. What many people see as waste, creators like you see as possibility. That mindset alone sets you apart. When you take something forgotten and transform it into decor that brings warmth to a home or meaning to someone's life, you're doing more than crafting, you're adding value to the world. Today's market is hungry for items that tell a story, items made with conscience, items that don't look like they came from a factory assembly line. Your reclaimed wood projects embody that spirit naturally, without the need for high investment or complicated techniques. Every business starts small, and the reclaimed wood path allows you to start even smaller, with confidence and intention. Begin by exploring what feels enjoyable and natural to you. Maybe small decor pieces like candle holders, picture frames, wall art, coasters, or shelves. Each piece you create teaches you something new and helps you refine your style. Over time, your skill improves, your ideas expand, and your craftsmanship becomes more polished. More importantly, your connection to the process deepens because the art of working with reclaimed wood is personal. It is slow, grounding, and thoughtful. It gives you time to understand the grain, the imperfections, the textures, and the way each piece wants to be shaped. This connection shows through in the finished product, and customers feel that emotional depth when they choose your work. As you build your creations, you are also quietly building the foundation of a business. You begin to see which pieces attract the most attention, which styles resonate with your personality, and which items align with what customers want in modern decor. With every project you finish, you create not only a product, but also an opportunity, a chance to photograph your work, to share your journey online, to gift a piece to someone, or to list it for sale on a small marketplace. There is no big leap required, no pressure to become perfect overnight. Success in reclaimed wood businesses grows through consistent creativity and commitment. Every day you choose to create is a step toward financial independence and self-defined success. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. In this journey, inspiration comes from many places: nature, minimalist design, rustic aesthetics, and the rising global movement towards sustainability. Today's consumers want to decorate their homes with pieces that feel meaningful, environmentally conscious, and human-made. Reclaimed wood naturally satisfies all of these desires. Even the simplest handmade piece carries a warmth and depth that cannot be replicated by manufactured items. This gives your work a competitive edge, even as a beginner. The authenticity of reclaimed wood crafts is a selling point in itself. Crafting your business also means crafting your story. Every woodworker, every creator has a narrative, why they began, what they believe in, what fuels their imagination. Sharing your passion, your process, and your vision builds powerful trust and loyalty with customers. When people feel connected to the creator behind the product, they are more eager to support your journey. This personal connection often turns a small reclaimed wood project into a cherished purchase and a first-time buyer into a returning customer. As you step into this world, you might hear names, ideas, or inspirations such as wooden crafts, a call to embrace the identity of a maker, a reminder that creativity and entrepreneurship can begin right now, without hesitation. Whether you adopt a name like this or craft your own, what matters most is the identity you choose to build around your work. A name gives your passion a home. It transforms your craft into a brand. It signals to others that you are not just making things, you are creating something with purpose. Starting today gives you momentum. You do not need to wait for the perfect tools, the perfect knowledge, or the perfect moment. Momentum grows from action, and the smallest action can spark tremendous growth. When you pick up a piece of reclaimed wood today and begin shaping it into something meaningful, you are lighting a fuse of possibility. Each hour you spend creating sharpens your skills and expands your confidence. Before long, you will look back and realize how far you've come simply because you made the choice to start, even if you started with nothing but scraps and imagination. Little by little, your craft becomes your voice. Your creations become your offerings. Your offerings become your business. And your business becomes a pathway to independence, identity, and fulfillment. The world of reclaimed wood opens a door to entrepreneurship that is accessible, rewarding, and filled with endless creative potential. You have everything you need to begin, not someday, not when everything feels perfect, but today, with the materials you already have and the passion that already lives within you. Your success story is waiting to be crafted. Every masterpiece begins with one simple decision: to start. And today is the perfect day to begin shaping your future, one beautiful reclaimed wood creation at a time. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked small reclaimed wood design ideas for profitable crafts to build your own success story. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.